Hello everyone, this is part 95 of our playlist Full Stack Python. Okay, so this is a training course. This is a training course. In this training course, we are learning theory in depth, as well as we are learning programming in depth. Okay, we are learning theory as well as programming in depth. And this is a series of videos. It is not like one single video. In order to learn full stack programming, this is kind of journey. It is not just a single video. It is not just a single video, but this is what a training course. This is training course. Okay, so that's why we have so many lectures. Okay, after this like basic Python or advanced Python, we will learn about backend, right? So this is what a training course. All right, so in this video we will learn new topic. What is our topic name? Multi-threading. Okay, multi-threading. So we will study multi-threading from this video onwards. Okay, so what is multi-threading? Threading module, right? Applications are two types. Applications are two types. One is single tasking application. Second is multitasking application. What is task? A task is an operation performed by the application. A task is an operation performed by the application. Okay, an application. What is an application? An application which allows performing one task at a time is called single tasking application. An application allow performing one task at a time is called single tasking application. An application which allows performing more than one task simultaneously or concurrently is called multitasking application. Okay, like if applications allow what? Multitasking, performing more than one task simultaneously, then that application is called multitasking application, right? Now see here this definition. Advantages of multitasking applications is utilize CPU idle time. Like your CPU will not be idle when you use multitasking application, means your CPU will not be free, and increasing efficiency of your program. If your program is multitasking, means if your application is multitasking, then it will utilize CPU in better way. Okay, so it will make your program fast. Now see, multitasking applications are two types: process-based multitasking and thread-based multitasking. Now study about process-based multitasking. What is process-based multitasking? A process is nothing. A process is nothing but instance of program. Process is what? Instance of a program, or a program under execution is called process. Okay, so what is the process? A program in executions mean a program is executing, then it will become process. Okay, if program is executing means it will become process. Simultaneous execution of more than one program is called process based multitasking. If simultaneously more than one program is executing means this is what? Process based multitasking. This type of multitasking is suitable for operating system. This type of multitasking is suitable for operating system. Okay, suppose this we have Windows operating system. Here we have this process 1, process 2, and process 3. Okay, so we opened what? Notepad, calculator, and media player. So what it will take? First application will take space plus time, space and space, right? Now see this thread based multitasking. What is the thread based multitasking? Thread is an instance of process. What is thread? Instance of process, or we can say a process under execution is called thread. A process under execution is called thread, right? Thread performs an operation independently. Thread perform operation independently of other operations. Okay, simultaneous execution of more than one thread is called thread-based multitasking or multi-threading, right? A thread is an independent part, or we can say path of execution within program or process, right? For developing multi-threading applications, Python provides a predefined module called threading. It is default module which comes with Python software. This is what default module which comes with Python software. Okay, how to create thread? How we can create thread? Threading module provides thread classes, thread class for creating thread. Okay, a thread is created in two ways. A thread is created in two ways. One is callable object, using callable object or function based, right? Inheriting thread class or class based. So these are the categories we can create the thread. Okay, function based thread, or we can say callable object. Basic steps to creating thread using function. So what are the basic steps in order to create the thread? Okay, number one is define a function which has to be called thread. Second, create thread object by sending function as target. Number three is invoke start method of thread class to execute the thread. So we need to invoke start method in order to execute the thread. Okay, see, every Python program is executed within PVM. Every Python program executed within PVM. Okay, or process. If it is executing, then program will become what? Process as one thread. Okay, so every program in PVM is what? One thread, right? The default thread created by PVM to run the program is called main thread. Okay, so whenever you execute the program, so PVM run PVM create what? Main thread. Okay, so first main thread executed by the PVM, right? So see the example. So first we will import what? Threading. We will import threading module. Then threading dot current underscore thread method we have. Okay, so T is the object of that particular method. Then we are printing T and T dot name, right? And then we have function one, and inside the function one, and we are calling function one, right? So first it will print the main thread, okay, main thread and started time, and main thread again, and it will print what? Message inside the function one. So what happening? First it is calling what? It is calling main thread. Okay, then it is printing what? Main thread details, and then main thread name, right? Then after that it is executing function, right? Current thread is a name of function which returns thread object which is currently in execution, which is currently is what? Execution. Okay, see this example. Creating thread using function or function based thread creation. Okay, so first we will import threading module. Then we are creating one function, even, and we are writing even method code. Yes. So this is how we can check whether number is even or odd. We have number 1 to 20, right? And then odd number function we have to check whether number is odd or not, right? So this function will give all the even method, and this will give all the odd methods, right? After that, what we are doing? Okay, see this. Okay, so what we are creating here, we are creating T1 thread and we are creating T2 thread, right? And threading is what? This is the module and this is the constructor. Okay, and we are set target to even function. Even is what? Method name. So we created two methods. One is even and then odd, right? Even odd. So we set the target of T1 thread and save for T2 thread, right? Then we will start T1 thread and T2 thread. The start means we are invoking thread, right? What is the thread executed by PVM first? Main thread. And what is the thread name? Main thread. Okay. So it will execute like this. Okay. We write the Python test3.py. So first it will executing what? Even number 2, even number 4, then odd number, then again even number, okay, odd number. It means parallelly executing these threads. Simultaneously, it is executing both threads. PVM executing both threads simultaneously. Okay. Now we have creating thread using functions or function based thread creation. Okay. So first what we will do, we will import thread module. Then we have this even method. Okay. Then we have odd method, right? After that, what we are doing, we are we are writing this module name constructor, and we are giving target equals to e1, and what's the argument? 1 and 21. Okay, t2 same story, another thread, target equals to odd. Okay, and what is the argument? args 1 to 16, right? So then what we are doing, we are starting one thread and starting second thread, correct? Okay, so at the time of executing this thread, t1 thread, at the time of executing t1 thread, okay, or we can say e1 function, we are passing argument to e1 method. Yeah, so we have e1 method, right? In this e1 method, we need m value and n value, and we are passing at the time of execution. Same for odd method, we are passing what m and n value, right? But we are giving these values at the time of execution. Okay, execution. So it will execute like this, right? All right. In the next video, we will discuss about life cycle of thread. What is the thread life cycle? We will discuss in the next video. All right. So thank you everyone for giving your valuable time. Thank you. And whatever previous program we have done or this videos program, everyone please keep practice of program. Each program, please try each program. If you're not able to properly understanding, then write first while seeing. Okay. After that, try to write by yourself. Right. So this is how you will improve your coding. Right. And always be happy. Right. Always be happy in life. And thanks for giving your valuable time. Bye everyone.